Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Blood Purifier, a natural tonic designed to gently cleanse and detoxify your blood. This carefully crafted blend of traditional Jamaican herbs supports your body's natural purification processes, promoting overall well-being. What are the benefits? This tonic supports a healthy immune system by removing toxins that can compromise your defenses. It promotes clearer, healthier skin by eliminating impurities that contribute to blemishes. And it boosts energy levels by improving circulation and nutrient delivery throughout your body. The secret lies in the herbs. Sarsaparilla, known for its blood-cleansing properties. Cheney root, traditionally used to support liver function. Guaco bush, which aids in removing toxins. And strongback, providing vital nutrients. Why choose a natural blood purifier? Unlike harsh chemical alternatives, this tonic works gently with your body's natural processes. It supports holistic health, addressing the root causes of imbalances rather than just masking symptoms. It's a natural way to support your well-being. Ready to experience the benefits of a naturally cleansed system? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to order your blood purifier and discover our full range of Jamaican herbal solutions. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace the power of nature. Embrace Jamaica Health Box.